Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
After starting this morning with a fair amount of fog and cloud cover, we have been seeing some sunshine over the past few hours, and it's staying fairly quiet, at least for the time being, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Let's get you all of this in motion here, and you'll see just some spotty showers within North Alabama. We've had some heavier activity just off to our southeast. That's not going to be heading our way, at least until later tonight. Here's a closer view of what's happening around Limestone County. This is data being pulled from both our Muscle Shoals and our Decatur radar. This little shower was once a downpour, and it's continuing to fade as it tracks eastward there. Again, it's trying to approach Elkmont. I think it might fizzle before it gets there. And this is what we've got right along the county line between Limestone and Madison counties, just west of Triana. One little shower moving through there. Don't expect that to really make much of an impact as it's tracking towards the east. Temperatures all around the area. Most of us around the 80-degree mark. There are a couple of spots that are a little bit cooler. It's 74 degrees right now in Athens. Lawrenceburg, we're in the mid-70s as well. 78 in Muscle Shoals, 77 in Gunnersville, 79 in Fort Payne. So if you're out for a walk this evening, it's not looking too bad. Just a few passing clouds. Temperatures on the milder side will be dropping into around the 70-degree mark once we get past sunset. It's later tonight when the rain starts to build in. In fact, that flash flood watch starts late tonight after midnight and continues all the way until we get into Wednesday night. And it does include basically all of North Alabama here. And that's because we're expecting a few inches of rain in total. And where that heavier rain continues to fall over the same spots, that is setting the stage for that flash flooding risk. Here's what your forecast looks like from start to finish tomorrow. 7 o'clock in the morning. 50-50 shot at showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. There are better rain and storm chances, though, as we get into the afternoon. You're looking at a 60% chance here at noon, at 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock as well, but your overall rain chances, 80%. We are going to be seeing rain tomorrow off and on. Breaks are here and there, but it is going to be a pretty wet day just in general. So here's future radar. As we go through this evening, we'll stop you here at 10 o'clock. Notice these spotty showers that start to creep in here from the southeast. Notice the steadier rain that's starting to set up shop here farther towards the southeast. We're talking Marshall County, DeKalb County, even heavier rain yet to come. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now all the way through noon, that's going to be riding right along the state line there between Alabama and Georgia. We start to see some new development farther toward the west, and we'll just really have hit and miss showers and storms all day long. I think that this data source is underdoing the rain coverage just a little bit. 4:30 tomorrow afternoon. As we get into Tuesday night, we keep the rain going, showers and storms off and on. This is 7 o'clock Wednesday morning. Looks like you're going to be getting a little bit of a break, but the rain and thunderstorms are right back with us through the second half of the day on Wednesday as well. I've been telling you that the highest rainfall totals are going to be mainly farther towards our east and southeast, especially east of I-65. Upwards of 3 inches of rain here in parts of DeKalb County. Close to that in parts of Jackson and Marshall counties as well. Now, most of North Alabama along the I-65 corridor, in fact, looking at 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain, a little bit lower with our rainfall totals as you get closer to the Mississippi-Alabama state line. So this is one of those situations where we'll be stuck with the rain for a little bit because this cold front that rolls through does just stall out right over North Alabama. That's the reason for that 40% chance of rain that's still in the forecast on Thursday. An isolated shower is still possible Friday, but it's looking much better as we get closer to the weekend. In fact, once we get into the weekend, it's clearing up, looking pretty nice. Lower 80s for Saturday and Sunday, and the sunshine is back. You can always listen for your forecast. Fun 92.7.